Okay, so when we start to come out of this highly activated state, right? We might come into session, you might come into session feeling charged or upset or tense or what's another one? Guarded, right? We understand that all of this is part of the process. But when you start to come out of that state and access a more connected, safer experience, you'll start to notice that your body does interesting things. And so this might be called the somatic release. So things that you can expect that I like to tell people this because it can be maybe you think that it's rude, right? To yawn and open your mouth really wide and yawn in our session, and you don't want me to think that you're bored or tired or not there, right? But actually, this is a sign, and there are several signs that I'm just going to list here, that your body is downregulating. And that has to do with your vagus nerve and the way that your body holds this energy, this fight or flight energy, and freeze as well, right? And all of the blended states as well. But really here we're talking about survival responses. So your body holds survival responses, and then once it is coming back into a safer feeling place, it releases. So that could be yawns, it could be burping, it could be needing to swallow, or all of a sudden maybe you just feel like you have to stretch and move. You could feel shaking. You could feel different temperatures. So like, oh, I'm really cold, or actually I'm really hot right now, right? And these are different ways that your body is recalibrating back to a safer, more connected state. And in order to do that, we're moving through the activation. So you can see my previous video about activation cycles and what we're really doing when we're working together. We're completing activation cycles. I think it's really cool. I think it's really interesting. It is an amazing experience to have, and it's an amazing experience to witness and be with somebody, to move from feeling guarded, intense, tight, right? Tight in our emotional, tight in our mental, energetic experience, to open, more relaxed, more at ease, more clear, more authentic. And so those are some things that you might experience on your way to feeling more at ease. Yawning, burping, shaking, different sensations that come along, and all of that is welcome, and all of it is part of the process.